Kingdom of Sleep. In a town, there was Takumi, a young man who wanted to fall asleep immediately. He was famous for leaving for the world of dreams every night less than a minute after going to bed. However, recently, a mysterious incident has occurred in his dream. One day, when Takumi went to bed as usual, she immediately fell asleep and fell into a dream. It was the Kingdom of Sleep with a beautiful starry sky. Takumi decided to become friends with the dream dwellers and dream spirits living in this kingdom. However, there was one problem in the kingdom. The dream spirits were frightened by the approaching awakening giant and spent their days. When the giant appears in the kingdom, the dream world collapses and the inhabitants are pulled back to the real world. Takumi decided to stand up to protect the inhabitants of the Kingdom of Sleep. Through adventures in his dreams, he overcomes various trials and gains strength. And finally, to confront the awakened giant. Takumi used the power of sleep to the giant and spoke gently. "You don't have to be afraid. This is the world of dreams, a place where everyone should spend time with peace of mind. Please don't bother us." Then, the giant was surprised and felt his heart healed by his words. The giant confessed his fear and revealed that he was actually lonely. Takumi and the dream spirits were able to make new friends by accepting the giants and spending time together. And the huge figure gradually became smaller and turned into a gentle existence. Thus, the Kingdom of Sleep regained peace again. Takumi fell asleep every day, recalling her adventures in the world of dreams. Even after that, his immediate ability to fall asleep remained unchanged, and a new dream adventure awaited him every night. That's it.